In this video, I'll show you how to create a clean and professional horizontal digital menu board using Canva. This design is perfect for restaurants, cafes, or fast food displays. And the best part is that it's easy and beginner-friendly. By the end of this video, you'll have a ready-to-use animated menu board that you can display on any LED screen. So, let's jump straight into it. All right. First, open Canva and click on the plus icon to create a new design. From here, choose Custom Size and enter 1920 by 1080, which is the standard Full HD screen resolution. Let's give this project a name so everything stays organized, and now we're ready to start designing. The first thing we'll do is add a background. Go to Elements, search for a white background, then open Photos and choose one you like. Insert it onto the canvas, right-click on it, and set it as the background so it fills the entire screen perfectly. Next, press R on your keyboard to add a rectangle. Move this rectangle to the top left side of the canvas. Stretch its height to cover the full canvas and increase its width. This shape will act as the main highlighted background for our featured menu item. Once it's in place, change its color, fine-tune the width until it looks balanced. Now let's add the item image. In my case, I'm adding a burger image, but you can use any food item you want. After placing the image, go back to Elements and search for a shadow. Open Graphics, find a light shadow, resize it, place it underneath the burger, and send it behind the image. This small detail adds depth and makes the item stand out. Next, we'll add the item name. Go to Text, add a heading, resize it, and place it near the item image. Type the name of the item, then open the font options and choose Etna Sans Serif. Slightly reduce the size so it looks clean and readable. Now let's add some details about the item. Go back to Text, add a smaller text, and type the description. Decrease the text size, adjust the width, and align it properly so it looks neat. After that, press L on your keyboard to add a line, place it below the description, reduce its size, and center align it. Go to Stroke, change the style to dashed, change the color, and slightly reduce the width. Next, duplicate the heading text and move it below the line to add the price. Change the font. I'm using this font for that. Set the size to around 45 and change the color. I'm using a gradient for the price text and selecting a vertical direction. Once done, adjust the spacing between all elements so everything feels neat and balanced. Now let's add a promotional offer. Press C to add a circle, then change its color to the same red gradient used for the price. Go to Stroke, set it to 4 pixels, and apply a gradient color to stroke with a vertical direction. Duplicate the price text, place it inside the circle, change the text color to white, and type the discount percentage. Select both the circle and the text, resize them, align everything properly, and move the badge to the top right corner of the item. Next, we'll create another menu item. Select everything except the promotional circle, duplicate it, move it to the side, reduce its size, and place it here. Adjust the height of the background shape, slightly reduce the price size, delete the image, and add a new item image. Copy and paste the text styles so they stay consistent, then resize and adjust them. Crop the shape from the top so half of the image pops out, which looks really nice. And round the corners by setting the radius to around 50. Now adjust the spacing between the elements so everything looks clean. Update the item name. I forgot the shadow. Let's copy it from the first item and paste it here. At this point, the hard work is done. Simply duplicate this item again, adjust the position and size, and replace the image, name, and price for each menu item. Repeat this process for all menu items, keeping the spacing consistent for a professional look. For the bottom section, let's add some drinks. Press R to add another rectangle and change its color. This will act as a solid background for drinks. Add a drink image. Duplicate the heading text. Resize it and type the drink name. Duplicate the description text. Align it to the left, move it below the drink name, adjust the width, and reduce the size to around 16 pixels. Fine-tune the spacing so it looks neat. Duplicate the line, rotate it 90 degrees to use it as a separator, then select the drink item and details, duplicate them and place them next to each other. Duplicate the separator line as well. Adjust the spacing, and replace the drink image and details as needed. Once that's done, select all 3 burger menu items and align them to the center. Again, I missed adding a shadow to the last item. Quickly add it now. Now the design is complete, and the final step is animation. Select the entire canvas, click on Animate. Canva offers many options, but remember, less is more. I recommend using Fade or Rise. For this example, I'll choose Rise and set the duration to 30 seconds. This duration controls how long the menu stays on screen. To make the animation loop, simply duplicate the entire page. Finally, export your menu board by clicking Download. Select MP4 as the file type, make sure all pages are selected, and click Download. Once it's saved, move the file to a USB drive and plug it into your LED screen. You can easily find tutorials for that part on YouTube. So, that's it for today's tutorial. You now know how to design and animate a professional digital menu board using Canva. If you want this exact menu board template, let me know in the comments, and I'll share it with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy, helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.